you got action, hit that button right there, or big boy view out here. Oh shit. Hit it.
Get flipped out on spirit.
We done found Nemo, y'all, for sure. This sexy fish crazy. Fire, I ain't even gonna lie. Look at the sweet tenderloin. What's going on, fam? It's your boy Al. Y'all tuned back in with them Jennings boys, man, and we back with another video, man. Make sure y'all stop what y'all doing. Go hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, like this video, and we're gonna keep running these numbers on up, man. We back home in Miami, man. We done made it back to Miami, man. Let me show y'all how we living, man. Back in the condo, man. Where we at? We right here, I don't know what this area called. We back in Miami, right across the bridge, man, right by the stadium. Back in the condo. Let me show y'all around. We got the kitchen right here. It's about to go up this weekend, man. We got a birthday celebration, so got the drinks. Then we got the birthday celebration. Hold on. It's one thing missing though. It's one thing missing on this cake, man. We're gonna show y'all later. I gotta add one more little ornament to this cake, man. It's missing. It fell off. We're gonna put it back on there though. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that, man. Let me show you what we got going on. This is the kitchen. Got the laundry room. I need to get some detergent because I know we're gonna do some laundry. We got a whole bunch of activities planned. We're gonna be going to, I think, Sexy Fish tonight to eat. Tomorrow we going. Shit, what's tomorrow? Friday? I don't know what we got planned. We're going to Sexy Fish. We're going to
PAPI Steakhouse.
PAPI Steakhouse. We're going on ATVs, side by sides.
Yacht.
We're going on the yacht. We're going shopping. We're going. I don't know where else we going. We want some car stuff. We're going to get some car content while we down here too. Shit, this is a little spot we staying at, man. Got all the artwork and decor. I like this little decor they got in here. Artwork, my man's right here with the strap with the Gucci background. I wonder who make these pictures. Just trying to figure out if I see a tag on here. Who made the pictures? They're like canvases like that. Them canvases like they got the car. They definitely don't look like they. Got the master bedroom right here. Like a king size bed. Got some more artwork. More artwork. Got the marble bathroom. I like this white marble bathroom. I love this shower. This shower, huge. This the type of shower you need right here. I ain't a big fan of the straight drop. That's that straight drop. That straight drop. Boy, your head be wet. Water all running down in your eyes and shit. Nah, I like this. What's these do? Is that a light? That little weak ass light. It ain't doing nothing. Shit. Let's see what else we got going on in here. The closet space ain't that great. Nah, that ain't too bad. Oh shit, it's hidden. It's a whole walk-in. Oh yeah. It's one of the hidden closets. I can make this work. I like this too. I like this. I need one of these. Safe. Keep your jewels and money locked up so that nobody run off. Wonder what's this do? Ah, That's dope. Hold on. Oh yeah, that's dope. This that action button right here. On this action, you got action. Hit that button right there, or you don't care, you just leave it open. Action right there. What's this say up here? Work for a better life as if you live forever, and work for a better end as if you die tomorrow. Kinda like that. And then you gotta grind to get the life you want. You gotta live for today like it ain't no tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? YOLO type stuff. Little bench. Little bench. You got 2 more bedrooms over here, another closet. This the little small bedroom. Artwork in every room. Artwork in every room. With your cousin. Another bedroom right here. Damn. Closet right there. It's like a king size too. Y'all see I got the Gucci platforms on. I broke my ankles about twice with these motherfuckers on. Carrying all that luggage. I broke my shit twice. They comfortable though. I had to get used to them though. They weigh about 5 pounds. That motherfucker loud. They weigh about 5 pounds a piece. I know I had to grab some of these though. These are mandatory must. Gotta have a new pair every trip. That's all you gonna get is one trip up out of it, you know what I'm saying? All white cocaines, you know what I'm saying? Come on with that. Let me go with everything. Damn. What's this? You set your hats on top of there? With brims. And the couch. You know we got the view. Big boy view out here. Right here on the intercoastal. You ready to turn up for your birthday?
Of course.
Of course. Got to be 30.
No, nigga, I'm not about to be 30.
Got to turn up for the birthday. Beautiful weather, supposed to be 80 all weekend. Got the little island over there. That's the one little island. That's the little turn island all the jet skis and stuff be on. I forget what it's called.
You should know the name.
Oh, I can't remember the name of it. Yeah. Got South Beach over there. Got the one bridge, I-95 right there. Dead up there. This Thursday. Come over here. Yeah. Make sure y'all stay tuned. We got a whole bunch of stuff coming this weekend. Let me see. Hold on, y'all. Shit, y'all, what's going on? Damn. Shit, make sure y'all stay tuned, man. We got a bunch of activities going on this weekend. We're gonna stay turned up. We're gonna stay lit. Sis' birthday. Sis' birthday, so we going up. Whatever we get into, we gonna get into. Make sure y'all stop what y'all doing. Go hit that subscribe button. Hit that post notification bell. Make sure y'all like this video, man, and run these likes up, man. And I'm gonna run this content up for y'all this weekend, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned. I was just saying that so everybody be ready. Got that night view, y'all. That sun done dropped. We got a little skyline over here. Got that moon over there. See if I can zoom in for y'all. It ain't a full moon. Actually, it might be a full moon. It looked pretty full to me. Might be a day off there, so the real Miami skyline is back on the other side of the building. You can't see it from here. Shit. Jada, but.
Don't be saying my nickname on camera.
Let's see what we got here. She don't even know it.
I'm surprised you're ready. Jada, do you want some of this on your chest?
We gotta slap this on for the birthday girl. She gonna be mad as fuck, but it's cool.
What am I?
Alright, we're about to head to Sexy Fish. Come on, it's time to go. It's time to go, bro.
Why are you acting all weird?
I ain't acting weird. I'm recording.
This
Y'all ready?
I don't want to fasten it. I hate fastening them, but I gotta cut it ready.
Jada, she did a really good job with this cake.
She did.
What y'all put on the cake?
What you mean, bro?
Why y'all put a steward on there?
That's what we flew here, bro. That's what we flew here, bro. We can't let you cap, man.
That means you always put the spirit flight. That's funny.
Spirit flights. I don't be capping. I fly Spirit. Shit.
I don't fly
They got the
because I'm
best.
with you.
They got the best flights from Columbus to here. Shit, non-stop. Only non-stop flight here. It's the same thing.
It's not the same.
And I'm a silver.
I don't get no drink.
I'm a silver or gold member.
I don't get no drink, no snack.
You bring your drink and snack.
That's ghetto. Do we even get our points? Jada, do we even have accounts?
Jada signed herself up. She ain't signed you up.
That's how she do me.
I'm signed up.
Spirit?
I'm silver, so I get to do 50
First
pounds
of all, I
instead
got
of 40.
Delta and American.
Yeah, we.
And Spirit. And Spirit. What's he
Oh, we.
I mean, I was just saying. Yeah.
All right, come on, everybody taking shots, and we going. We already about to be late. Here you go. I already took my 2 shots. 3 shots, 4 shots.
I need a cup.
What you got? What you drinking?
Girl, just check out the bottle.
Ah, you
Is
got
this
that.
mine? Yeah.
That's expired.
It is not. Where's mine at?
Got a shot right there. What's this?
Not my thermometer.
This what?
Thermometer. Tequila.
Hell nah. Guess what though?
Bro.
Oh shit. Hit it.
She get flipped out on Spirit.
On Spirit. You good? Alright, let's slide.
Why would you like that one?
How are we doing? Just take another?
Yeah. But make sure you
I'ma light
get
them
the
up.
thing. Don't worry about my weave. Okay. Get the whole thing.
Crazy.
There's my boomerang. Did you like it? No.
Alright, y'all ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
It's a sweet cocktail, it's tall, it's tequila fruity, and everyone's gonna be a mango fish. My personal favorite is it's not like super cute stuff. If you don't want any of these, you have to go bar, just
Said what? What drink you get? Apple something. Already got this last one. We done found Nemo, y'all, for sure. These look good. You said what? Where does strip come from? That ain't even ours. You said what? This sexy is crazy. Now we got the sushi. Dang, I'm scared to try that. We got this rice too. That rice, this rice, that. Alright, fam, we got the wings now. Got the lime with the rosemary salt. You want lime on yours?